Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I will show you how to make cell into a checkbox in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make the cell into a checkbox. At first, select a cell, then go to the file menu. At first, edit the developer menu. Go to the option menu and go to the customize ribbon option. Now I am added the developer menu, click OK. We can see here the developer menu. Now I am select a cell, then click the insert option and select the checkbox option, then press and hold the alter and draw the checkbox to this cell, then click inside, double click this text box, then select the text and remove this. Now we make the same process in another cell. Now we can see we make a cell into checkbox. You want to edit the check mark, click this checkbox and edit this check mark. You want to remove this, otherwise click again. Now I am add another cell. At first select the cell, then go to the insert menu again, select the check mark, then again press hold the alter and select draw the check mark, then remove the text. Now I make another cell, the check mark. You can edit the check mark or remove this. Now we can see we make a cell into checkbox in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.